good. In this video, I will be showing you how to change the color of text box in Canva. For example, you can see I'm on Canva right here. Now to add a text box, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on text. Then for example, you can select any one of these text styles. After you have done that, to add the text box, all you'll need to do is tap on effects from the top right hand corner of the navigation bar right here. After you have done that, you're going to tap on background from the left hand menu option. So you'll tap on background right here, and you can see that a text box has been added with a yellow color around it. Now to change the color of this, all you'll need to do is go back over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to scroll down. Once you have scrolled down, you're going to see color box. You're going to tap on the color box right there, and you can choose the color that you would like it to be. So for example, let's say I would like to change it to blue. I could do that. You can also change the shape of the text box. For example, you can make it less round, as you can see right there, or you can pull it to the right and you can make it even rounder. It is completely up to you. You can also change the spread, so you can pull it to the left and you can see it right there. You can pull it to the right and you can see that you can increase it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.